The moon can't explode. That's what scientists say. But imagine waking up tonight and seeing cracks spread across it like shattered glass. Then suddenly, the entire sky flashes white. At first, people would think it's a meteor shower, a once-in-history cosmic event. Phones come out. Live streams explode. Millions stare upward in awe. But then the truth hits. Those glowing streaks aren't meteors. They're pieces of the moon, and they're heading straight for us. What happens next changes everything. The moon looks harmless, quiet, dead, but destroying it would take unimaginable force. The strongest bomb humanity ever built, the Tsar Bomba, released more than 57 million tons of TNT. Sounds unstoppable, right? Not even close. To completely destroy the moon, you'd need the energy of over 600 billion Tsar Bombas. Anything less, and the moon would simply pull itself back together with gravity. But here's the strange part. If something actually managed to shatter it, Earth wouldn't just watch from a safe distance. We'd become the target. Within hours, massive lunar fragments would scatter across space. Some vanish forever into the void. Others get trapped by Earth's gravity. And that's when the nightmare begins. At first, smaller debris burns harmlessly in the atmosphere. The sky glows red every night like the planet is on fire. People celebrate. Scientists panic. Because hidden inside the endless stream are larger chunks. Mountain-sized pieces of lunar rock falling toward Earth. But that's not even the craziest part. Ironically, the impacts wouldn't kill us first. The atmosphere would. Every incoming fragment creates friction. Heat. More heat. Day after day. Week after week. Earth slowly turns into an oven. Temperatures climb globally. Oceans begin warming. Forests ignite. Cities suffocate under burning skies. And then, the planet reaches a point of no return. Most people would try to escape. Underground bunkers. Space stations. Anywhere but Earth. But here's the terrifying reality. The moon's destruction would trap us here. As lunar debris smashes through orbit, satellites are obliterated. Communication dies. GPS vanishes. Space becomes a deadly minefield moving at thousands of kilometers per hour. Launching a rocket through that chaos would be almost impossible. And this is where it gets weird. Even if you survive the firestorms, Earth itself would start changing in ways nobody expected. The moon does far more than light up the night sky. It secretly stabilizes Earth's tilt. Without it, our planet begins to wobble unpredictably. That means seasons stop behaving normally. Some regions could face endless sunlight. Others fall into permanent freezing darkness. Imagine summer that never ends. Oceans evaporating. Crops collapsing. Entire countries becoming deserts in just decades. But then comes the twist nobody sees coming. The poles. Without the moon's stabilizing pull, Earth's axis could shift dramatically. Polar ice melts rapidly. Sea levels surge across continents. Coastal cities disappear underwater. New York, Tokyo, London, gone. And while humanity struggles below, the sky transforms into something hauntingly beautiful. The shattered remains of the moon could eventually form rings around Earth. Giant, glowing rings stretching across the heavens like Saturn. For a moment, it would look breathtaking, until pieces start falling again. Because the ring would never be stable. Random debris storms could rain destruction onto Earth for millions of years. Civilization wouldn't rebuild. It would survive day to day, waiting for the next impact. But that's still not the worst consequence. Because the moon has been secretly controlling time itself. Right now, Earth spins at the perfect speed for life. 24-hour days. Predictable weather. Stable oceans. But the moon is the reason that happens. For billions of years, its gravity has slowly acted like a brake, keeping Earth's rotation under control. Remove the moon, and the planet starts spinning faster. Days shrink. 20 hours. 15. Maybe even less over time. And that changes everything. Winds intensify into unstoppable global storms. Hurricanes become permanent. Flying creatures struggle to survive. Birds disappear. Insects collapse. But here's the part almost nobody talks about. The oceans would die. Moon gravity creates tides. Without tides, ocean currents weaken. Nutrients stop circulating properly. Entire marine ecosystems collapse from the bottom up. Tiny organisms vanish first. Then fish. Then predators. Then entire food chains. Humanity wouldn't just lose beaches and waves. We'd lose one of the systems keeping Earth alive. And that's when scientists would realize something horrifying. The moon may not just orbit Earth. It may have been protecting it all along, protecting our climate, our oceans, our rotation, possibly even the evolution of life itself. The object we barely notice every night could secretly be the reason civilization exists. And now it's gone. No glowing moonlight. No tides crashing on shore. Just a faster, hotter, more violent Earth surrounded by the ashes of what used to be our closest neighbor. But here's the final mystery. If losing one moon could destroy life on Earth, then why do some planets survive with none at all? And what would happen if Earth suddenly had two?